This poem is called The Canary Inside. It's from my manuscript Heaven Face, which will hopefully be picked up one of these days. But in the meantime, here's this. To know, as I read a book on a mining town just west of Sweden and east of the sea, alone in my apartment, that a man next door was shot to death is a quiet knowledge. I did not hear it, for it was warm and the wind blew, and sometimes I am so inside myself I can't hear anything but my own slow dying. This breath which goes to mining work and empties me, as a disagreement next door causes a man to pick up a small dark machine and pull a single little lever, the world's smallest crane. And the opened heart, before it stops, becomes a canary. It says calmly, but not without urgency, "It's time to leave. See the brightness opening in the dark ceiling. Hear the breeze through there. That's how we'll leave now." And a lifetime of breath flutters from the cavern, and the warm wind grows warmer and blows as the police flock the block, and as I leave to drive into the heart of the city in my car, bullet-shaped, and like a bullet, meaningless without someone to make it go. The police each smile and joke and write in their little books, not like someone in the building they are outside of is dead. Not like that person will never tell anyone again that they love them or anything at all, but like they are just surveyors gazing out onto an open field, and someone has said something funny they would like to remember when they are older, and words and their own breath escape them. Their laughter and exhalations move in tandem with the wind, and all of our lives move through the branches, and the canaries in us begin to rustle. It is so easy to open something, to make one small movement and change the world. And it is, apparently, easy for a group of humans to gather around a body as crows might gather, to stand and laugh as the wind shovels us out of ourselves one grain at a time.